What's an unsolved mystery that's actually super easy to explain, but nobody likes to say it out loud because the real answer is just boring? Bumblebees. Scientists literally don't know how they fly. According to physics, they shouldn't, but they do using the same basic principles as helicopters. No big breakthrough announcement needed, that's why the media never made a fuss. Elizabeth Allen climbed onto the roof via side door, opened the water tank lid, and drowned. She had mental health issues, likely suffered a seizure. Staff found the lid open, not closed. Conspiracy theorists claimed her death was mysterious. It wasn't. It was a tragic accident during a psychotic episode. Netflix's documentary on the Cecil Hotel even had the technician explain that he closed the lid after finding the body. A simple mistake sparked a wave of wild conspiracy theories, especially hard on the guy wrongly accused. Thankfully, the doc let him speak. Dyatlov Pass, 1959. 9 Russian hikers found dead in the Ural Mountains. Strange injuries, missing eyes and tongues, no signs of a fight. Theories exploded. UFOs, snow yetis, secret government zap devices. But in 2021, researchers concluded it was just a delayed slab avalanche. Snow pressure plus hypothermia caused panic and injuries. The missing soft tissue? Wild animals scavenging. Basically, they got lost in the wilderness, panicked, acted irrationally, and after death, their bodies were scavenged by nature. That's the explanation for most mysterious disappearances in the wild.